know summer just begun. Party all night until we see the sun. We outside, you know it's going to be a vibe. Get your camera phone, start the Instagram live. Party, 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 yeah, we finna have a time. Hold up, looking at it sideways, but they don't know us. Don't need no extra people, no, we turning up regardless. Got my gang with me, yeah, we came to have a party. She sitting on the sideline, girl, you looking side.
What is up, y'all? It's your girl, More Nigeria, back with another video. I'm hyped right now because yesterday the long-awaited package had arrived. Mind you, it was in my city for 2 days. They never delivered it. And then they use a company called Uni.
Bitches that want to learn.
We not in China. Those 2 to 3 days that y'all got to sit and y'all could have been dropping it off and I could have been getting things going. But anyways, y'all, I received my jewelry brand package yesterday, and I just want to give y'all a quick few rundowns of how I'm feeling about it, what's going on, the price, and all that different stuff, y'all. So, like I said, I received the package yesterday. I actually got it with me. I took it to work. Received the package yesterday, quite small. I only ordered a small amount. I actually ordered 50. Believe it or not, this is 50. But I ordered 50 bracelets. I plan on starting me a jewelry business.
Whoa.
I got my package yesterday, and to start off, the processing time and shipping time damn near took, it pretty much took a month. It took a month, and I feel like it only took a month because I'm a first-time buyer. So the more I purchase from this vendor, they probably will eventually start, prioritizing my shipments or whatever. But still, that's a long time. So that was already too much for me because when I order something, I need it right away. Simple. But the production time was pretty long. They got everything right that I wanted on here, but it appeared bigger online than it really was, And I'm just going to show you guys a quick sample of one. I actually have on one today. Here it is right here. Only difference is I didn't take my tabs off. They all come with individual tabs on them. Each heart comes with a piece of plastic wrapped around it so that it can keep the charms like unscratching it while the package is on the way. But hold on, y'all, because I want y'all to see what this was like. Alright, y'all, so I have on one and my mom has on one. I ordered a total of 50 bracelets. When I get home, I have to count these up. I didn't count them. I just did a first opening review. And this is what they look like. They come in this big bag like this. And then this man was just taking long to get out the car. So annoying. But I hate when people pull up on the side of you and try to be nosy.
Pink Ferragamo sliders on deck. Silly rap beats just give me more checks. My life is a movie, I'm never offset.
Come into the car. Then we out here finishing this last order up, and it's about to storm out here. But back to the video, y'all. When they come packaged like this, and it's right there. It's fairly small. It's very small, and that's what pisses me off because I thought these were going to be bigger, But this is my first launch, so you learn. You learn. What I'm learning currently is that I have customers that prefer this size for like already bracelets that they have, and then I have some customers like me that prefer bigger hearts. I wanted bigger hearts, but I feel like this is like a standard, like cute little go-to bracelet. They did awesome with the engraving. The engraving was nice. I think this was maybe like a total of maybe $300 total to start. Yeah, that's where I'm at with it. And like I said, my only thing about it is I thought the hearts were going to be bigger. But outside of that, I officially launched my website this morning. As soon as I got up this morning, I launched my site. I paid for the things so that people could buy on there. And I haven't recently checked my analytics on my Wix website. So when I get home, I'm going to check my analytics, check that out. See how many people came to visit my site actually today, where they visited from. Did they visit through TikTok, Facebook, or did they go through the actual website? But yeah, y'all, I'm super happy for this launch. I have so many ideas in mind, and I'm really trying to keep myself from trying to put all my ideas out right away. I struggle with trying not to put all my ideas out with one product and just learning to create and build a collection. So this bracelet right here is our 14 heart signature OG bracelet, and this is our first official bracelet. This bracelet is going to take us so far. I'm just letting you guys know this now. I wrote this on my dry erase board last year. Not even last year. No, I didn't write it on there last year. I wrote it in January. And God is making it come to fruition right now. I had no clue. I was erasing my dry erase board until Dominique said, "You erasing that and you didn't even look over the stuff." You're right. I look at it and I literally drew a web of me mapping out the businesses that I wanted to start. And it started off with me figuring out what idea I wanted to start with. I started with jewelry. But this is our OG bracelet. This will be considered our OG bracelet, our first launch, our trial and error, seeing what works, what doesn't work. If you don't follow me on social media, I just updated all of my social media. It's Nieva Amore XO. So that'll be easier to find and connect with my brand. So you will slowly start to see my YouTube channel go from Motion with AN to Nieva Amore XO. Okay? I hope you guys stay tuned. Continue to follow me as I go through this journey of figuring out what's working and what's not. But yeah, right now our site is live. Our product is posted. This bracelet is only $25. It's calling your name and waiting for you to stack it with the rest of your jewelry. Just like so. I talked about the product itself, about how much it cost me to start this business. Oh, another pro is that this is supposed to be sterling silver, and that just means that it's non-tarnish proof, and when you wash your hands and stuff, it's not supposed to turn. You also have to take care of your jewelry. If you're just constantly sweating and washing up in it, not taking care of your jewelry, of course it's going to tarnish. Make sure you're taking care of your jewelry so that it lasts long. But I told y'all it's a thunderstorm finna happen. I know y'all just seen that lightning. The pros, the cons, the good, the bad, the product. Alright, we gotta get in. Cause all that rumbling and jumbling God throwing down, that ain't nothing but warning signs. Get in the house now. Anyways, y'all, that is all for this video. Make sure you go shop our site, Nieva Amore XO. The site will be linked in the bio. Make sure you follow me on all social media. Make sure that you're living your life unapologetically and doing what you want because you have free will. Make sure you go shop your bracelet. My next video will be me showing you the packaging. That will be tomorrow morning. And I'll also be in Chicago tomorrow. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. That is all for this video. It is your girl, More Nigeria. And I am out. Deuces.
I don't even say bye no more. I be like, no balls.